Hi, what is going on? In this video, I want to show you how you can transfer money out from your PayPal account to another PayPal users. There are a couple reasons you might want to do this. Either you want to buy something online and the item seller told you to pay to PayPal. So what you need to do is you collect the seller's email address, the seller's PayPal email address, and you log it to your PayPal account and you send the payment. So in this video, I want to show you how you can send money out from your PayPal account to another PayPal users. So in the description of this video, I have given the PayPal website home page. There, when you click on it, you come to the PayPal website, you log into your account. So once you are logged in, you simply hover over to this tools, as you can see, tools option here, and you click on send money. So you enter the item seller's PayPal email address, which they have given to you. So as you can see here, send payment to. So as you can see it, below it is a email or name or email address. So you click on it, you type in their PayPal email address which they have given to you. You type it here, and you then click on next. So in my case, I have copied the email address. So what I need to do is to just paste it here. So paste it and select it. So I will be taken to the next page, where I will enter the amount I want to send. So in this case, because of the purpose of this video, I will send $2. So what I need to do now is to enter $2, as you can see here, $2. I have entered $2 here, $2. So here you can add any note you want. So in my case, I'll just click on continue. So after entering the amount, you click on continue. Sometimes they will require you to confirm your mobile number. So as you can see here, to continue, confirm your number. So they are doing this, they are requesting this to make sure that you are the person trying, you are the account owner trying to send out money from your PayPal account. So in this case, I will click on get your code. So they will send code to my mobile number. So I will enter it here to continue the payment. So here I have received the code which they have sent to me. So the code is 221932932. So I entered the code which I received now in my mobile number. So what I need to do now is to click on confirm code, and they will confirm this code now, and I will continue sending the payment. So they have confirmed this code now. So I will be taken back to the page which I was entering amount. As you can see it here, so I entered $2. So what I need to do here is to scroll down, as you can see, and I click on send payment now, and this payment will be sent. So I click on send payment now, and they are sending the payment. As you can see here, boom, I have successfully sent $2. As you can see here, you have sent $2 to the email address which I have written. So as you can see, as you have seen it, so sending money out from a PayPal account to other PayPal users is very simple, as I followed in this video step by step. So if you are new to PayPal, trying to learn how to send money out from your PayPal account to any other PayPal users, this is how to do it. This is very simple. So thank you for watching the video. So you can click on send more money if you want to send money to another person, or you simply log out from your PayPal account, or you click on summary if you want to return back to your PayPal account dashboard. So this is very easy on how to send money out from your PayPal account to another PayPal users. So if you found this video helpful, like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification icon. So anytime I put out a new videos, you will get notified immediately I upload my new videos. So subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon, and I will see you in my next video. So I remain 𝗀𝗵𝗶𝗹 from 𝗦𝘂𝗯𝘀𝗰𝗶𝗹. Thanks.